Welcome. Let's start Neet 2025. Ask the question. Question number is 2 in the part of Neet paper. What is the question? Question is a dipole moment. How much is given? 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 coulombs meter. Dipole is 2q d. You know very well. That is q is the charge, d is the distance. That is given. Electrical field, uniform electrical field. How much? 4 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per coulomb. Force per coulomb. Then it is kept in the direction of electric field. It is kept in the direction of electrical field. Okay, that means theta is 0. Okay, then it is rotated to an angle up to 60 degrees. How much angle? 60 degrees. 0 to 60. What happened? Its potential energy will change. Initial potential energy is P cos theta. Final energy is P cos theta 2. Initial is theta 1. Like that you have to take. What is the formula you have to recollect, which you have done in the chapter 1? That is potential energy of a dipole when it is kept in the uniform electrical field is minus Pe cos theta. P is dipole moment, E is electrical field, and theta is angle. This is what actually you have to remember. So how to solve this? Change in potential energy. Change in potential energy is how much is equal to final potential energy minus initial potential energy. That is what you have to remember. Final is what it is, minus Pe cos theta 2 is 60 degrees. Minus of minus, minus is there, minus. Minus of minus Pe cos 0 degrees. This is what actually you have to remember. So submitting P if you take common, what will happen? Minus. If you take it as minus P cos 60 degrees, minus of minus plus P cos 0 degree. So plus P, if you take, what will happen? It will become cos 0 degree minus cos 60 degrees. So what is the P? So cos 0 is 1, cos 60 is half. So you will get here P by 2. P is how much? 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. E is how much? 4 into 10 to the power of 5 divided by 2. That is what actually you have to do, like this. So 5 into 4, 20 into 10 to the power of minus 1 by 2. So you will get here 10. 1 0 will be going to get cancelled. So you'll get 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 will become 1 joule. This is the answer. The answer is given 1 joule. So try to do it. So what you have to do? What you have to remember for coming NEET 2026, most expected question is going to come from electrostatics, which is based on the dipole and on. So children, when the question is coming in NEET, you should get idea what to read, what is the main important and what is the concept you have to make it. So the concept of dipole is definite question is going to come in every NEET exam. So like that you have to solve. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and also can mail me. I'm giving you free of cost some lessons, and whatever the doubts are there, you message me and subscribe my channel. Thank you.